The science of the search for happiness. Happiness, one of the oldest questions in human history. For thousands of years, philosophers, thinkers, rulers, and scientists have all searched for one answer. What is the secret to a good life? Some said wealth, some said success, some chased fame. But no matter how much humanity progressed, this question remained in the dark until 1938, when Harvard University began something the world had never seen before. A group of researchers at Harvard Medical School asked a radical question. If we follow a person for 75 years, can we truly discover what happiness depends on? And so began the longest-running scientific study on happiness in history. This study was not just a survey. Participants, young Harvard students, and hundreds of young men from working-class neighborhoods were given regular medical examinations, evaluated psychologically, monitored in their family life, tracked in their work life, scanned with brain imaging, even filmed in their homes as their daily behavior was recorded. In short, scientists documented an entire human life to trace the roots of happiness. The project was so large and so ambitious that even after the original research team died, the study did not stop. New generations of scientists continued to follow the same participants. And after nearly 80 years, the researchers were finally able to say one clear thing. The things we think bring happiness do not truly make us happy. In this first video, we will explore how the Harvard Study of Adult Development, also known as the Harvard Wisdom Study, began, how it was conducted, and how it grew into a massive scientific project. No study in history had ever followed human lives in such detail. Harvard's project was never meant to last only a few years. It was the beginning of a scientific journey designed to follow entire lifetimes. And as the years passed, that journey only grew. The young students graduated, started careers, married, became parents. The young men from working-class neighborhoods faced different struggles in life. But the Harvard team never stopped. They evaluated them again and again, revisited them, recorded them, and continued documenting their lives. Step by step, the longest happiness study in history advanced. Now it is time to understand how this extraordinary project continued, which groups it followed, and why it holds such a unique place in scientific history. In the next episode, we will examine the structure of this study, the two different groups it tracked, and the scientific methods that made the research truly unique.